What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back and checking out this channel. On today's video, we have something a little different. We're gonna stop working on the EG for today and focus on the EK. I ended up getting reached by a company called Auxito. Your boy is moving up in the YouTube world. They ended up contacting me and asking me to do a review on a set of LEDs. It just so happened I was in the market looking for a set of LEDs for the EK because I ended up noticing right before I parked the car for the season, I had a light out. Previously, I was rocking a set of eBay headlights, LED headlights, and they worked great for the most part. I had them, never had an issue. I used these LEDs on my truck, but since they reached out to me, Auxito, spoiler alert, they did send it to me free of charge, but that is not going to take away from any unbiased review towards these guys. I'm gonna give it to you guys as straight as possible. I hold no allegiance to any type of company. With that being said, I'm gonna set you guys up over on the toolbox and do an opening review on this product. Stay tuned. There you have it. Name is Auxito. I believe these are the Q16s. Yeah, box doesn't say. Packaging is awesome, you know, a nice sturdy box. It's like almost the same quality as the Apple cases or the Apple boxes. I don't know if you guys ever bought an iPhone. You know, the package is like really good packaging. Just opened up, they give you a set of gloves. Don't know why, but that it's dope that they do put this in the box. These are gonna get black within a matter of seconds. So they send you a product instruction manual, I'm assuming. A little bit about these lights, guys. They're LED 6K and operating temperatures between -40 and 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Operating life on these LEDs, they say it's 50,000 hours. How you calculate that, I have no idea. But that's what they say in the box, so that's what I'm gonna let you guys know. Yeah, with that being said, guys, the packaging, like I said, it's awesome. You know, nice foam, cutout foam in the box itself. Awesome to see that they take a lot of pride in their packaging. So, quick note, just looking at the LEDs. The LEDs look like they're really good quality, you know, can't complain. The light itself got some oomph to it, you know, it's got some weight to it. It doesn't look cheap by any means. I'm not sure if this is hard plastic or it could be metal. I'm not 100%, the casing around, I'm not 100% positive. It seems, you know, due to the fact that it's a little heavier, it could be metal, but I'm not 100% sure. It's got a built-in fan, as you guys can see. Right in there. I don't know if that's spinning or not, but yeah, it's got a built-in fan to keep the LED temperatures down. Yeah, man, these headlight bulbs are awesome. They say got the Auxito branding right on the top there, which that's also dope to see, and it gives you let me see. Yep, it tells you the size of the actual bulb stamped right there. Or not stamped, but it's printed there. So you're able to tell what LED size it is or what bulb it is. Yeah, that's all that's in the box, guys. I'm gonna set you guys up over on the car and start installing this LED headlights onto the EK. Stay tuned. Guys, so I ended up setting up the camera. I'm gonna show you on the EG, just because of the fact we have a lot more room in the EG, how to go about it. On these Civics, they do have a little cover you would take off, and as you can see here, it'll have like this little clip. You just push that in, pull it up, and then pull it out just like that. It's the same on my EK. You know, these headlights are both interchangeable for both vehicles. So yeah, yeah, just push it in, slide it up, and then just pull it out like that, and then exchange the bulb. I'm gonna set you guys back up real quick onto the EK side and finish installing these headlights. Guys, there you go. Headlight is out. Yeah, like I said, this is a no-name brand, cheap eBay special. Yeah, this one is a bit different. Let me grab the Auxito out of the box and show you a quick comparison of the L.E.D eBay brand and this Auxito, which I think you still call it eBay as well, because you can find them on eBay. But yeah, give me a second. Right off the bat, guys, you can tell big difference in L.E.D. These have, oh no, they're the same. They got 4 LEDs on this one and 4 on here, but this one's a lot bulkier, and this one, Auxito, is a lot heavier as well. It just looks like it's a lot, you know, better construction than this eBay. This also has a fan, but it's a big bulky fan on the back. When you install these, man, these gave me the only issue to install them onto the car due to the fact that it has that, like I said, the Civics have that little, you know, stainless steel or the little metal bracket that like locks it into place to hold it. It's not wide enough, you know. This is a really big bulky fan in the back. With this one, you should not run into that issue because, as you can see, the difference in size, it is a lot different. This one also comes with like an external, I don't know what this is, maybe a ballast or whatnot. I'm assuming now with the technology, I got these maybe like 2 years ago. I don't do much driving on the EK, so yeah. But yeah, with the new technology, I'm assuming this is all built in, you know, to the actual bulb assembly itself. You no longer need an external ballast. But yeah, like I said, guys, the craftsmanship is very apparent between Auxito and this cheaper eBay headlight bulb. So with that being said, guys, let's install the Auxito onto the car and then see how they shine. Give me a second. Guys, when you go to install this, you see how it has 3 prongs? Make sure that this top prong is facing up. That way, these little pins right here, these little pieces that are sticking out, is gonna line perfectly with the housing of the headlight. So yeah, just slide it in just like that. Yeah, guys, holy crap, such a big difference in installing. These were a lot easier. Like I said, these have a big bulky fan, and when you go to install these fans with, hold on, give me a second. When you go to install these fans and mess with this little piece here where it locks it in, this is so wide that you gotta like spread it open in order to fit that other LED bulb. Oh, all right, guys, a quick comparison. This one is the Auxito, and this is the eBay brand. You can't, these are, I don't know if the camera's picking it up. It's a lot brighter than these, but let me show you up against the wall. Let me see if you can pick that up. Give me a second. Yeah, no, he ain't gonna be able to pick it up. But this left side is a lot brighter than that side over there, which is the eBay brand. So yeah, guys, that also could be because, you know, this is brand new. The Auxito is brand new. And that cheap eBay one, got some miles on it. But yeah, with that being said, I figured I'd bring that to your attention. It is definitely a lot brighter. But I believe these were also 6Ks, the cheap eBay ones. Like I said, it could be that it's used and abused, but for the most part, just on this test alone, this side Auxito brand one is a lot brighter than the cheaper eBay one. So yeah, let me set you guys up and finish installing this onto the Civic.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Damn, it took me longer to remove them than it did to install them. Yeah, man, that big fan in the rear for the cheap eBay ones, it does suck. But yeah, these were easy peasy lemon squeezy, yeah, to install. So yeah, let me put the cover on and then give you a quick B-roll with the LEDs both lit up. Show you how it came out. Give me a second. Guys, quick note, with the Auxito head bulbs, you're not gonna need to cut this. The reason I ended up having to cut this was because of the fact that the fan itself that this has in the back, it was so bulky, it would not fit through the OEM hole. But since these are OEM, you know, friendly replacement, they fit perfectly. There's no trimming needed with this little rubber cover. So that's a plus in my view. So yeah, let me finish up here and try to close this video out. Give me a second. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment down below guys. Don't forget to hit the bell notification down at the bottom so you guys will be the first to be notified whenever I put out any content. And guys, if you are in the market for a set of LEDs, consider checking out Auxito. They make a wide range of bulbs for any vehicle on the market today. Yeah, so remember guys, until next time, stay blessed. Peace.